Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make something really cool with electro snaps. So it's really cool. So you're going to need a full set, and if you want, you can use the board. I have this one. So yeah. I'm not going to spend too much time talking, but this does take me a long time. And if you do have one of these books, it is on page 25. So let's get this started. Okay, so first that we're going to get is a battery pack. Like, we always need a battery pack. So if I just get my battery pack, we can put you here. So one thing I do is you go to the back. So if you can't see it, but you go to the back, you see where the points are, and yeah. But oops, wrong place. This one did take a long time, but battery pack goes about there. So that's two there. We grab our two, and we put them there. Then if we grab number 15, the on one, on and off, we'll have it off right now. So right now, look, it should be like that. Now, so we're going to, with this one, we're going to get number 2 right here. So we've got number 2 there. Grab our number 4. Place him under here. Sorry, that is so hard, guys. Now, if we grab our 23, so if we grab 2, and we put it right on top of this 2 1, we can put our finger here. Oopsie. So it's close. You can grab a dot. Put you there. I'll just be right back, guys. Okay guys, just back. So we have our number 23. Right now it should look like that. Then we're going to get another 2. Another 2. Put it right here. Then if we get on number 6, we can just stick you right here. So it should look like that right now. Grab this. Then with our number 22, we can put you here. Like that. I know it should be like that. And there's a dot under there because it doesn't look like that. But so we're nearly finished. But firstly, we're going to get our radio, number 20. Stick him right next to number 23. So right now it should look like this. And then For this one, we're just going to get our three threes. 1, 2, 3. Then comes. Now just attach them. So see how I've done that? Do that for those three. Like. 1, 2, and 3. Then for our last bit, it's going to be this one. So I hope you can see this number 2. Right there. So it touches to there, and then our result is Star Wars. So I hope you guys liked the video, and make sure you like and subscribe. I'm trying to get 500, and bye.